Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Mero Share with your username and current PIN. Once logged in, make sure you're on a private network and not a public hotspot. Security matters. Go straight to the account or profile area, don't wander through menus. You need your existing PIN to authorize the change, so have it handy. After you locate the Change PIN option, click it to open the Secure PIN update form and prepare to enter the old and new values. You will now enter the old PIN, then type your new PIN twice to confirm it. Make sure the new code follows Mero Share rules, typically 4 to 6 digits, and avoid sequences like 1234 or repeated digits. Once you submit, expect an OTP or verification email. Complete that step promptly. If asked, provide the client code or secondary verification details. After verification, the system will process the update and show a success message. Note the timestamp or reference. You finish by logging out and then logging back in with the new PIN to confirm it works. If you can't sign in, clear the browser cache or try a different browser or device. Sometimes session data blocks updates. If OTP never arrives, check spam and mobile network. Request OTP again after waiting a minute. When persistent failures occur, contact the depository or registrar support with your client code and the update timestamp so they can trace and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.